Hey, what's going on, y'all? Um, Back with another video. Uh, sort of, well, it's a good figure, but it's bad at the same time. Um, a quick thing, this is the Threezero Isaac Clarke Dead Space 3 figure, and the Dead Space 3 marker statue, which I didn't get in the game. I had to buy this separate. Took me a while to find one that I can actually afford. I saw one on eBay and I made the guy an offer and he accepted, and I was glad to get it for what I paid for it. But anyway, that'll go with the Dead Space collection that I have. Now, the figure. This is the, well, not this version specifically, but this was what I was looking for when I pretty much started collecting. I was really into the Dead Space game. And there was, I had started looking for things, and I came across the NECA line, which is awesome for what it is. And I guess in my search, I ended up finding, Hot Toys figures and whatnot, and the rest is history, I guess. But Threezero picked up this license, and they made a pretty awesome figure. I mean, the figure itself is nice. The detail, I mean, the smell from the paint is it's crazy. I don't know if it's just me, but I figure a lot of collectors love opening up a package and getting that smell. I'm no different. I like it. But my issue with this is not so much the figure itself. I mean, it's not perfect. But they never packed any of the weapons. So he's missing some weapons. So that plasma cutter is actually from the Play Arts Kai version, which is they kind of have oversized weapons, so it actually looks perfect in his hand, I guess. I mean, it doesn't fit the way that it should, obviously, because it's not made for this figure. But I emailed Threezero about it. Haven't heard back from him yet. We'll see how that goes. They give you a couple hands. So I don't have any of the weapons. My other gripe is the head sculpt that they gave you was sort of just bouncing around in the package, so you could see the paint on his eye, his eyebrows, his beard is all jacked. I would never probably use this head sculpt anyway, but I mean, it's supposed to be the exclusive. So I have an exclusive with a piece of junk head and no weapons. So, like I said, I had ordered, I had emailed Threezero about it. This was Friday, I believe. I got the figure on Friday. And what's today? Monday. So we'll see what happens. I'll give it a couple days and then I'll email them again. There's a number on the website that you can call. I don't have a problem with the figure. I mean, I don't play with the figures. I sort of have certain figures that I put up on a pedestal, and I display them a certain way. And this is one that I probably will do that for, because that's pretty much what got me into collecting in the first place, was Dead Space. I'd like to have a couple 1/6 necromorphs and the engineering rig, which is pretty much what I want. So this will have to do for now. Hopefully Threezero can, make a few other suits. This is probably my least favorite suit, but it's still freaking awesome. I ain't gonna lie, it's awesome. The detail they put on it, the snow effects, it does light up. The back of the rig lights up, and the mask, I believe, the head sculpt there, but I don't have any batteries, and I'll probably never set it up to light up. The box is actually pretty awesome too. As you can see, it came damaged. That's probably why the head sculpt kind of fell out of the package that they had, and it was sort of bouncing around all over the place. It's got the Unitology script, which is pretty awesome. It'll go good with the statue and my Sideshow Polystone statue. So I sort of have like a Dead Space shrine with all my Dead Space stuff on it, and this will go up in there too. But hopefully they can resolve that issue about the weapons. Other than that, man, I just kind of wanted to show it off a little bit. It's such a freaking awesome figure. Too bad that you know, it didn't come complete. I just pretty much want what I paid for, you know. Usually don't gripe. I mean, like I said, it kind of sucks about this thing too, but I'll never ever probably use that head sculpt in any way. But it sucks because if I did, I don't know. Yeah, I'm a little upset about it, but no big deal. And this thing is awesome too. Came with the Dead Space 3 game to the Dev Team Edition. And trying to get one of these at a decent price is crazy. You probably won't find one for under $100. I've seen them for as much as $250, which is insane. These freaking scalpers are crazy. I guess, man, whatever they gotta do to make a buck. But, I mean, the weathering effect on this figure is pretty awesome. The suit looks awesome. I mean, I wish I had the weapons. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully they'll resolve that for me. But other than that, it's a pretty sweet looking figure, and I could smell it from downstairs when I come in my house. So, anyway, y'all, enough of me complaining. That's my Threezero Dead Space figure. No stand included either. Step your game up, Threezero. Y'all know? Alright, boys. Peace.